Hello everyone, hope you are doing well. So recently I am attended one interview, Java developer interview. In that one SQL question is asked. So I think like if I will make a video, it will helpful for others. So I am making video for that. So question is write an SQL query to check whether date passed to query is the data given format or not. So this is the question. So see validate format, invalidate format. So date passed to query is the data given format or not. See, I am passed one string. This is the so day, month, year. This is the format. I am checking this date in this format or not by using what to date function, right? So here also date, month, year, but post year is there. This is the invalid format. So I am given two examples in that interview, validate format and invalidate format. Interviewer is impressed and so I am selected. First I will write some theory points. After that I will do practical about this query. So our query is write an SQL query to check whether date passed to query is the date of so date of given format or not. Given format or not. So, so in Oracle, we check the date date format by attempting attempting to convert convert the input convert the input string using string using to date to date to date. This is the first point. If the if the format is correct, if the format is correct, the the conversion succeeds. The conversion succeeds. The conversion succeeds. Otherwise, 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 Oracle throws an exception. Oracle throws an error. So these are the two important points about query. So I will repeat one more time. So after that we can do one example. Write an SQL query to check whether date passed to query the data given format or not. So in Oracle, we check the date format by attempting to convert the input string using toDate. ToDate. ToDate is the function. So we are getting one input, some string, some text in the date format. So we are checking if the format is correct. The conversion succeeds. Otherwise, Oracle throws an error. So like we can do select toDate so string date and format from dual like that, right? See here, select to date. This is the string date format. This is the format from dual. So let's open SQL Plus editor to check this. So system manager clear screen. Select to underscore date. So single quotes, we need to mention the single quotes, right? Here, single quotes. Date format, right? Suppose today date is 21 hyphen 12 hyphen 2025. 25, comma, format. So it is the, like day dd mm hyphen yy. from doer, right? Enter. So it is giving date. Let's do one thing. So suppose it is valid, right? Above query. Suppose I'm giving 2025. I'm moving this day to last 21. So see, literal does not match format string. It is throwing an exception, right? We can use different formats. Day, this as well. We can use like day 21, 12, 2025. It is also valid. Otherwise, we can also use month. month, like December, 3 digits, DEC. Enter. These like this way. So in this video, we have successfully understand provide an SQL query to check whether date passed to query is the data given format or not. That means one date we are passing and we are checking that date is in given format or not by using to date, right? Thank you for watching. For more videos, please subscribe to this video.